Listen carefully, my friend. Your brain is powerful, but you are more powerful. Don't waste this life thinking you're not enough. You are more than enough. But to become the best version of you, you must train your brain to believe in you. There is a strong person inside you, but you forget that person every day. You feel weak. You feel tired. You feel lost. But today, we are going to change that. Today, we train your brain to stand up, to grow, to win. Let me ask you some simple questions. Do you feel like your life is not moving forward? Do you try hard, but nothing changes? Do you feel like everyone else is better than you? Or do you start something but never finish it? If your answer is yes, then this message is for you. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You are not broken. You just never trained your brain to win. But today, that will change. Your brain is like a soldier. It does what you say. If you say, I can't do this, your brain says, okay, let's stop. If you say, I'm tired, I'll try later, your brain says, okay, let's be lazy. But if you say, I can do this, I will try again, your brain will say, yes, let's go. So remember this, you are the boss. Your brain is the worker. What are you telling your worker every day? Let me tell you a story, a true one. There was a man named Jason. He was 38. He worked at a grocery store, stocking shelves, moving boxes, night shifts. Every day felt the same. Wake up, work, come home, eat, sleep, repeat. He once had dreams, but now he just survived. One day, a customer said, "Hey, have you ever thought about doing something bigger? You look like a smart guy. You know, you can change your life if you want." Jason smiled and said, "Me? No, I don't think so. This job is enough for me." But later that night, that question came back to his mind. He couldn't stop thinking about it. It stayed with him. And that night, he searched online, "How to change my life." That search led to a video, then a podcast, then a book. He started listening 5 minutes a day while working. Not hours, just 5 minutes. Every day, every night. He didn't quit his job. He didn't move cities. He just started learning, growing, training his brain. And slowly, he changed. Not in 5 days, not even in 5 months, but in 2 years, he became a life coach. Now he helps other people who feel stuck, just like he once did. That's what happens when you train your brain to believe in you. Let me tell you the truth. You are not the only one who feels, "I am not good enough. My life is going nowhere. Everyone is doing better than me. I want to change, but I can't." Even strong people feel these things. But what's the difference? They don't let these thoughts win. They say, "Yes, I feel pain, but I will keep going. Yes, I'm slow, but I will not stop. Yes, it's hard, but I am harder." Winning doesn't mean you never fall. It means you get up one more time. Let me teach you a simple rule. Just 5 minutes every day. That's it. 5 minutes to learn a new word. 5 minutes to listen to something powerful. 5 minutes to sit and think quietly. 5 minutes to breathe and remind yourself, "I'm not stuck. I'm growing." Why does this work? Because your brain loves patterns. If you give it good habits, it will become your best friend. Let me share a powerful thought. Sometimes your body is tired. You feel sick. You feel lazy. You don't want to do anything. That's okay. But your mind can still be strong. Say this with me. My body is tired, but my mind is a warrior. My day is difficult, but my brain is learning to win. Winning is not just for rich people, not for smart people, not for perfect people. Winning is for people who don't stop. 1. From today, stop saying, "I can't do this," and start saying, "I will try again." 2. Stop saying, "Others are better than me," and start saying, "I'm learning at my own pace." 3. Stop saying, "I'm not lucky," and start saying, "I don't wait for luck, I take action." 4. Stop saying, "It's too late for me," and start saying, "It's never too late to grow." 5. Stop saying, "I failed again," and start saying, "This is just one chapter, not the end." Write these on paper. Read them every day. Let your brain learn new beliefs. You don't need a big success today. You just need to say, "I will try. I will show up. I will not give up." That's all. Because the truth is, if you do small things with big heart, your brain will one day take you to big places. Listen to me, my friend. Your brain is powerful, but you are more powerful. Don't waste this life thinking you're not enough. You are more than enough. But to become the best version of you, you must train your brain to believe in you. Speak kind words to yourself. Do small good things every day. And one day, the world will see the light that was always inside you. If you think that this channel is for you, you need more motivation like this, then subscribe, not for me, but for the version of you that doesn't give up. Let's grow together. Let's win together. Let's become the people we are meant to be. Because the world doesn't need perfect people. It needs brave ones, like you.